Welcome to Key Tech. Please describe this channel if you are interested in today's video. In recent years, the technological war and trade war between China and the United States have forced the relationship between the two sides to reach a freezing point. The United States has shown anxiety and worry about the speed of development in China's scientific and technological field. For this reason, it spared no effort to sanction Chinese semiconductors, trying to extinguish the spark of China's development, but the result was beyond everyone's expectations. Not only did it not extinguish, but it ignited a raging fire. A situation that Biden did not want to see appeared. Today, a well-known Chinese company officially announced its entry into the semiconductor field, and China also fired the first shot of chip raw materials. Guess who this company is? That is CETC, China Electronics Technology Group Corporation. As a leader in the domestic scientific community, has a history of more than 65 years, and has made many achievements in the field of scientific research. The most outstanding is undoubtedly China's Sky-Eye 500-meter spherical radio telescope. As the world's largest radio telescope, CETC has participated in a large number of constructions of this project and provided it with a large number of advanced technologies, including the Sky-Eye antenna infrastructure system technology upgrades, digital signal processing technology, skylight scattering effect measurement, and providing data acquisition and control system support, etc., have made considerable contributions to this project. However, this is only the tip of the iceberg of CETC. It has also provided great help in projects such as the Sunway Taihu Light supercomputer, electronic warfare system, digital military training system, medical imaging system, and quantum communication network. Not only that, CETC is also a state-owned enterprise, and many of the various systems developed have been applied to China's military power, which has brought great breakthroughs to the country's science and technology and military fields. Now, as a state-owned enterprise, CETC has officially announced that it has set foot in the semiconductor field for large-scale deployment. This big move will never be what the Biden administration wants to see. Because CETC has a deep and solid background, it is not the same as many semiconductor companies in the market, and its strength is almost not proportional. More importantly, the main direction of CETC is to be responsible for research and development and promote the development of the national semiconductor industry. With the increasing demand for semiconductors in domestic and foreign markets, the entry of CETC is expected to drive the development of the country's semiconductor industry and enhance the country's independent innovation capabilities. In essence, the main principle of businessmen and capital is to pursue profit, especially the United States, as a symbol of extreme capitalism. Its global harvesting of the economy is well known. American companies have more or less inherited some habits. For example, Apple's revenue in 2022 will account for more than 85% of the profits of the global smartphone market. Enterprises such as Qualcomm, Intel, Nvidia, and AMD occupy more than half of the global market share of digital products and make a lot of money every year. In contrast, the importance of research and development has been gradually ignored by businessmen, and the inert thinking of making is worse than buying has accumulated over the years, resulting in the lack of core technologies in many fields. However, The research and development and transformation of science and technology are the symbols of the progress of science and technology in the world. Although in recent years, China has gradually embarked on the trend of independent research and development, a large number of enterprises are still unwilling to invest too much money in the field of research and development. Some people may say that Huawei is such a company. In 2022, it will invest more than 161.5 billion yuan in research and development, accounting for more than 25% of its annual revenue, overturning the natural logic of businessmen seeking profits. However, there are only a small number of companies like this. In this environment, the importance of CETC is gradually revealed. Pursuing profit is not its main direction. Contributing to the country's technological development is the mission of this state-owned enterprise. In the 2022 Science and Innovation China series list released by the China Association for Science and Technology, China Electronics Technology has 8 technologies selected into the leading technology list, many of which have high-performance gallium nitride power devices, third-generation semiconductor chips, etc. Core technology. As an enterprise that has successfully developed a piece of 8-inch monocrystalline silicon through independent means in a short period of time, it can be seen that CETC definitely has considerable creativity in the semiconductor field. In addition, facing the aggressive attitude of the United States and the bombing version of sanctions, China couldn't bear it and launched a countermeasure war. Since the beginning of 2023, Micron Technology's sales of products in China have been reviewed, and the approval process for acquisitions of U.S. companies has been slowed down. However, compared with this part, the effect of cutting off the supply of rare earths is better. As the world's largest exporter of rare earths, since China banned the export of rare earth refining technology, the United States and even the G7 alliance have been like ants on a hot pot. Find alternative rare earth suppliers. In the competition of the global semiconductor market, China's market share and influence are gradually increasing, and China has fired the first shot in the counter-war chip raw materials. So what do you think about this? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. If you like this article, please like, bookmark, and forward it.